keep it steady, almost locked in.
Ratchets tight, final anchor secured.
Got it, looks good. Clear behind the cage. Scan the flank area, check for scarring. Reading clear on the density, sir.
Vitals look stable. He seems calm enough.
All right, water's topped off. Let's keep observing for a few more minutes.
Baiting phase starting. Fiber relaxation. Deliming initiated. pH balancing.
Rinse cycle active, removing lime residue.
Draining complete. Proceed to tanning. Initiating wash cycle.
Liming cycle commencing. Hair loosening phase.
Tanning at 70% completion. Maintaining heat. Tanning complete. Begin sammying. Herring engaged. Blade pressure medium.
Splitting engaged. Top grain separation.
Sammying pressure applied. Moisture extraction. Curing chamber activated. Maintaining optimal humidity. Pattern alignment confirmed. Begin cutting.
Layout efficiency high.
Heavy stitch mode engaged. Seam reinforcement.
Clicking pressure applied. Parts cut.
Quality scan passed.
Dyeing cycle engaged. Penetration phase. Fat liquoring initiated. Softness enhancement. Dye fixation complete. Moisture level decreasing. Drying sequence starting. Staking tension applied. Fiber softening. Staking passes complete.
Binding program loaded. Edge finish.
Parts sorted. Inventory updated. Blind hem engaged. Pocket reinforcement active. Double stitch. Real secure attachment.
Sewing program loaded. Begin lining assembly.
Sleeve attachment initiated. Ease control.
Welt stitch complete.
Label sewing complete.
Lining attachment. Blind stitch mode. Riveting pressure applied. Secure hold. Stitch length 4 millimeters.
Collar program active. Top stitch alignment.
Steam cycle complete, cool down, real wrinkles removed.
Zipper bar tacks added. Real reinforcement complete. Cool down phase.
Fold pattern confirmed. Dock bay assigned. Approach slow. Load position optimal.